there at the initial diagnosis. There is a lot of terminology used by the doctors. I love them, but I wish there is a way whereby they explain some of these terms. For example, I had a case. A patient received her result in December, and by September, she had not started going to the hospital. She was told surgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, curable. She didn't know what that was. So she went home and she just kept the result there. Until one time I talked with the daughter, and the daughter told me, I don't know why my mom is swelling. So I went to see the patient and she showed me the results. That's when I intervened. So I wish the doctors can explain in a simpler language, understandable to the patient, so that from the word go, they will know what is expected of them and what they need to do. Another problem we are having is when screening is done, there is no follow-up. For example, recently we had a screening in a well-reputable big hospital, but when some patient went back for the results, there were no records. So what does that mean? Is there any need of screening and a lot of money was used, then you say there are no records.
Shukrani sana. Nataka kumleta Elijah Msao aweze kuchangia katika hii mada yetu za kuzungumza kwa sababu saratani ni ugonjwa ambao kwa kweli tunapambana nao vikali sana. Ukiangalia dada zangu mazangu wako hapa ndani, lakini kuna baadhi tunapokuwa tunawahudumia, kuna baadhi ya matamshi ambayo si vizuri tuwatamkie ama tuwaambie kwa sababu yanawavunja moyo. Na huo ndio ukweli ambao umejitokeza katika mazungumzo. Unaweza kutuambia vipi kwa wale ambao wanahudumia watu wenye saratani, namna ya kuishi nao na kitu gani cha kusema, kitu gani cha kutosema?
Thank you so much, Rashid, for having me. Let me speak in English. One of the things we were told is that palliative care should begin at diagnosis. And this is where the palliative care experts come in. They break the bad news. That this is where what you are suffering from. In a very systematic manner, we break bad news in mind that we don't break the heart of the patient. We explain to the patient with a very simple language. Simple language is not English or Swahili, but a language they can understand, so that they make informed decisions, because they need to go to